Hi everyone, welcome to MUT Studios. Today with another spider control video about creating the floor number 2. And this video is part 3 of the other last videos. So if you didn't watch the last videos, just pause right now and go watch them. So right now I have finished some stuff in the background and I have re-uploaded some of our old scripts from floor number 1. We're using the same game manager script over here that we used in floor number 1 to use on this floor. The only script that we changed from most of the scripts we have today on floor 2 is the kid controller. I made it much more dynamic for the new floors and for the future floors, hopefully. So this is the old kid controller script right here. As you can see, it had some warnings, labels, and some warning tags that I have put to test some stuff that could have been changed in the future. As you can see, there were states that were really extremely static and were only based for floor 1, like the eating and the playing console states, and I didn't want to redo this for each floor, which would be very boring. So I changed the kid controller script to be more dynamic and to be based on it calling another and detecting if an object is by the kid state and that has a activity state. If you guys want a video on the kid controller and how I built it, or a instructions video, or a simple tutorial video on how to build something similar to the kid controller script, please subscribe down below, and if this video gets 10 likes, I will make a video on how to make a kid controller script or something similar to it. I wouldn't make the video about spider control, but a simple tutorial on how to make something similar. Let's see what the script is all about. A script is extremely helpful. Well, we control some cutscene animators, which most likely will change in the future. We have a private enum called kid state, which basically just says what state the kid is on, which is extremely helpful for the rest of the code. We have a agent, which is different from the old kid controller script. The old kid controller script didn't use a nav mesh agent. It was just moving it by transform, and I really didn't like that. It was, again, very static. So I changed it to an agent, which is extremely helpful for this point of time. I actually like the agent more than whatever the normal transform is. I'm happy that I made it work. And yeah, the rest of the code is basically the same, except how it handles cutscenes. Now it's kind of changed. The find next activity is also changed. So if you guys want me to also make another video about what is the true differences between the old kid control script and the new kid control script, that both could be used on specific topics and specific type of code. In my opinion, no code is bad code. Every single code is useful in its basic scenario. You need a specific scenario for each code, and for this scenario I want it to be a more dynamic version of the old kid control script, and that's why this script for me is much better for the next future of the floors. So now let me just show you guys what I have built. Now I have updated on the kid controllers. The floor 2 of spider control. I don't know what's going on with me. So yeah. So first of all, we changed some of the lines from the game manager script. We didn't change the game manager script. It's not a new script or anything. It's the same script. I just changed the save manager, which is another script somehow. The save data script up here. I also changed that by including the new save data called current floor. This current floor saves, well, your current floor number, which changes the game manager statistic on which data is supposed to be used. Sorry, wrong script. yeah, on which data is supposed to be used. So here we have another floor number script, and once we load the save data, let me just get the save data. So let's load. Once we load the where is it? I'm gonna check where it is real quick. I saw it. Yeah. Once we load the floor data right here, the floor number, it detects which number is this floor. So is this floor number 1 and it's saved as floor number 2 in the save data, the whole save script is useless and it doesn't build on it, it doesn't load the rest of the data. If it's the same floor, it loads the rest of the data. This basically solves the transform problems and making the floors dynamic different on which floor works for which, and which save data works for which. This also removes the ability to being able to save data for each floor, which I really didn't want to save data for each floor rather than, well, saving data for the whole game. So that is all the code we have changed for now. The scripts we have changed, and I think that's everything. I think I changed some stuff in the cat boss, some stuff in the actual player, some small things to make it work for our new floors. So let me show you guys the this is how the game works for now. Let me show it to you guys before we actually start building new stuff. So I turned off the sound so you can hear my voice. If you guys are confused why there's no music in the game, there's still music. So here we are as the spider. Let me just increase the speed. The buttons still work, and right now we're in the Egyptian version. So let me just change the language real quick. So here, language, English, apply, and then we could just Command P and Command P again, and it's supposed to be saved as English now. Yeah, so now the game is in English. The back to menu, as you guys saw, the join our Discord and save and quit videos the buttons are still working. That was a problem from before I made this video, so just join. So let me just increase the spider speed just to show you guys the areas as fast as possible, so we have more time to actually work. So we have the cat right now. Oh no, we don't want it to attack us. We also have some food. As you can see, the food still works. Summoning small minions also still works, as you guys can see. Eating more food, I summon more minions. Okay, and here's the kid, which is stuck on this door for some reason. There is been a small bug for the actual agent going through from this room to this bathroom, and that's the whole problem with the kid right now. But I also added a small script for the kids. Let me just open this door right real quick. Okay. A small change in the kid control script for it to detect small sounds, which is gonna be a new game mechanic for the game. So once I hit this sculpture right here, the kid is gonna follow it, supposedly. Somehow, some problem with the ground here is doesn't have a collider yet. But if I touch this statue right here, the kid is supposed to come. Also getting some lag over here. So these are some problems we have with the collision. For some reason, the agent thinks it can pass through walls. Sometimes. The problem doesn't do it always. If it was always, we would have discovered the problem by now. But it doesn't do it always. I think we also have a script over here to stop that. Nope. Okay. So yeah, that's what we did. I also tried to put the same script for the older kid, But till now he's still the same with no script, just his pure animations. So yeah, that's the floor 2 for now. As you guys can see, I didn't add that much to floor 2, I just made the floor actually work by adding some scripts. And that's basically it. Sorry for this weird sounds, or that's moving my computer. So yeah, let's just check right now on how we can, well, fix the small problems for the agent. So first we need to go to the boy 1 right here. Woohoo, boy 1. So we have the boy 1 with the stopping distance of 150 and the auto braking and blah 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 stuff. So right now he has problems going through this wall, which I forgot to add a braking a object, nav mesh object on it, which hopefully solves the problem. Also, we have a nav mesh object over here as well, none over here, so let's add a nav mesh obstacle right over here. So I think that should solve the wall over here. Now it getting stuck right over here is a problem, really, and to solve this problem I feel like making a box collider in between these two walls would solve it. So let's just command D this small box over here. I don't want pivot, I want center. Okay, good. And let's just move it right off the corner, like over here. So now we have a small wall just blocking it. So let's just remove the mesh render and make the box collider exclude the player, so spider. So right now the spider can go through this area, but the simple boys and anything else basically can't go through this area, which is extremely helpful, and hopefully that fixes that small problem. So let's save and try to see if that helped it. Now of course we're gonna go outside and increase the speed of the spider again. So to see it happen, the spider needs to be faster, so let's pause real quick and go to the spider variant, increase the movement to 300, and on pause, go unclick, and right now he passed through the door. Perfect. Oh, I forgot to open the door too. Just small stuff. I do not want to change that because I know if I disable the door I'm not gonna find it. That's why I don't disable it on the thing. So real quick, woohoo, the kid just stopped on the first activation point, which is the desk, this table in the middle, and he actually left after checking it. Now he's stuck on the bed. I'm not sure if he's checking it or not, if he's detecting it or not. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change the bed's activity point because the bed is too big and the kid can't really detect if it's in the middle of the bed. So it also went on this table, detected that. So let's go to the sound and try to see if the sound detection thing works. So once I get near this statue over here, the kid will come and check it out. So here we touched the statue. Nothing, I guess. Okay, we touched. Oh, now we touched the statue. The kid is coming and he checks the statue. He saw nothing and he left. That's exactly what he wants him to do. We can go here again. Oh, he stopped on the desk and now he's leaving. Perfect. Let's see if he's gonna go through the door correctly. Yeah, he went through the door correctly. Will he go through the other door correctly? And no. Wait. No, he's still stuck on the wall. Okay, so let's pause real quick. See, open the scene, and go check the boy out. So, boy 1. As you guys can see, he still thinks that he can go through the wall. Again, don't get it. Don't really know why he still thinks he can go through the wall. But to solve this problem, I feel like increasing the box collider size would work. Let's see. So 3. I don't know, I can't see it easily, so I think this is just this. Yeah, this is just the edges. So let's increase the Z coordinates to 1. Yeah, by increasing the box collider to 1 like that, it's hard for him to think that he's gonna go through the wall. But let's just change it to 0.5 real quick because I don't want it to be that big. And let's unpause and see what the kid is gonna do. So the kid surprisingly still thinks he can go through the wall. The kid was right. He literally went through the wall, I guess. Wait, where did the kid go? Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Oh yeah, he is through the wall. He's literally through the wall. He actually went through the wall. So let's go to the scene. Go to boy, press F. And he is through the wall. That's crazy. That's literally crazy. So let's move him outside the wall real quick. What's he doing? He's stuck inside the what? And look, he's not even putting his sense of knowledge to go through the door. He's like, no, the door is impossible to go through. Seriously, like, here, I opened the door for you. He still doesn't want to go through the door. That's crazy. So yeah, that's extremely weird. How he still wants to go through the corner. So let's unpause the game and let's stop the game and let's see what could be the cause of issues right here. So let's increase this to 0.5 as we did. Let's increase the size to 3 to make it fill this corner over here. And let's also change the center. Or what? Do we change the center? No, I feel like it's covering this area real well. But should we change the center from the other side? No. I feel like it's good. Okay, so let's do the same thing we did to the column over here. By adding a corner, stopping him from going through this corner. Let's add it to the other side. If you guys love these videos about me showing you the behind the scenes of creating Spider Control, believe me, I went through these same phases on floor number 1 as well. I just kept fixing bugs as the basic job of a developer, fixing bugs. I also went through the process of doing this, trying to figure out what would work, what would not work, and if you guys like this behind the scenes videos, subscribe and like this video, and hopefully we finish floor 2 really quick for this game to be finally released. Thanks to everyone who's actually watching this video. I'm really happy to see you guys watching this video. So let's continue right quick. So let's just change the speed for the spider before we enter, so we don't have to change it each time we play. Where is the spider? I can't see. Alright, here. So yeah, here, let's change the spider variant to like that. 300. Perfect. Okay. So let's just remember the movement speed is 20. I think it's different from floor 1. I'm gonna check that soon. So anyways, now the kid hopefully doesn't go through that. So let's also change something I also wanted to change. Let's change the collision for this small dresser? Yeah, the dresser over here. So the dresser doesn't collide with us, I guess because we didn't add a mesh collider, so let's add a mesh collider for it. I always add a mesh collider for the objects that the player is supposed to walk on. These obstacles, these objects are always needed to have a mesh collider. Let's clear this out. Yeah, so I think I added a mesh collider. I'm not sure though if a mesh collider is present. Look, it says it is. Yeah. So yeah, I keep the mesh collider, and let's also add a mesh collider for this. Whoa, where is the box collider it's talking about in the first place? It's really small. Okay, let's remove this box collider first of all. Oh, what? Wait. Oh, I see it. I see it. The box collider is for the floor ground. Right over here. So if I increase the y coordinates to 1, I think we're gonna see the box collider now. Yeah, that's the box collider. So it's stuck in between the dude over here. The problem with this statue right over here is that we can pass through it, which is not a good feeling. Let's increase it to 1. Ooh. Okay, let's just add a mesh collider. I'm not sure if the sound detection would still work with the mesh collider on, but let's just try. Turn off this box collider and then, yeah. So let's also add some, I feel like this box collider is good. Let's just see. So we have a box right over here, box right over here, but this box is stopping this area, so let's just remove these box colliders whatsoever. So remove component. Why was there 2 box colliders anyways? I don't know. And let's change it to a simple mesh collider. Do the same thing to the beds, because man, those massive box colliders really just ruin it. So component, remove component, and so on. You guys get the idea. So there is still a massive box around the bed, which for me needs to be removed immediately. So let's just see where the bed is. So structure 1, structure 1, structure 1, where are you? Structure 1. Can't find it. Oh yeah, I found it. So structure 1, interior, furniture and props. I think this is a bedroom furniture props. No. The bedroom number 2, furniture props. Yeah, this is a bed APT. So let's open the bed and see what we have. A mattress that has a box collider. Let's remove that. We have also a pillow that has a box collider. So remove that too. Remove component. We have the sheet that does not have a box collider. So let's see the bed right now. Ooh. It's called the mesh render. Oh, that's why. So it's mesh rendering this area only. Oh, the weird box around it is actually the nav mesh obstacle. How did I not see that? Okay, so let's add another mesh collider for the mattress. Actually, no. I feel like a box collider for the mattress actually works much better, because the mattress is already a box. So here, collider. Perfect. The problem is this corner over here, but I think it works. The pillow, yes, we need a mesh collider for that. So mesh collider. Okay. And the fabric, I would put a mesh collider on that. Let's save this bed. Yeah. So yeah, this is what the bed would be. So let's do the same thing to the other table, like this table. So it already has a mesh collider. I do not think we need another collider for that. So that works. Do we have a collider on this? No. Okay. So let's remove the box collider. We already have removed it and add a mesh collider. Perfect. What about this dude? The same thing with this dude. So let's remove the box collider. Remove the box collider again. Add a mesh collider. Go to the fabric. Add a mesh collider for that. Good as a pillow. Remove the box collider, add a mesh collider, and so on. I feel like that's everything inside the room. Oh, there's a box collider up here too. It's weird. The mattress, we keep as a box. And yeah, so we still have a problem with the statue, dude. Right over here. Oh yeah, we said we're gonna try to add lots of mesh collider, so let's file save. And let's start the game. Let's test it out, guys. Hopefully this one works as perfectly as we want it to work. Hopefully. So that now we're moving. Oh, we ate food. Oh, we ate the last waffle that was here. So also you guys see that it saves the which foods are closed and which foods are not closed, like already eaten. So that works. That's good. No. Oh, interesting. The mesh collider actually just meshes the box, not the whole structure. Does it work though? Oh, it does. It does. The thing thinks that we touched the mesh, which is perfect. Goes here and leaves. Yeah, the boy works, but for some reason we can still pass through it. I think. So we're gonna make a small animation of it falling or like wobbling around to show the player that you touched it and stuff. Yeah, the kid control still goes, the kid goes right here, checks it and stops. The problem is with the kid that he doesn't stop. So let's go back to the kid controller. We need him to stop and look, because him running 24/7 doesn't look nice. So let's go up here and yeah, set animator.set block in false, current state, stay idle. So let's see what this check if reached distance. No, we don't want this. We want the check sound. So let's go down. On sound detected. It's checking sound true. Agent also declared the sound position. Current state equals state checking sound, and animator that is walking is true. Okay. Once he checks the sounds, actually, so if agent remaining distance is smaller than or equal to agent stopping distance and agent is passing. Oh, it's already activating the is checking sound to true. Oh, that's why it's not stopping it. So yeah. Okay. And that's the activity duration time. Okay, so we need to increase the activity duration time. I just figured that out. So let's go to the kid, the boy one. Keep calling him a kid. And yeah, activity duration, let's just increase it to 8. Like that. Because I feel like it's too short of a period. Let's also go to the other activities and check what your time is. So this table is an activity. Its duration is 2. Has a sound effect, animation name. Let's just make it 4. I feel like 4 is a basic number, which is good. There's also, I think there's also another one here. Yeah, so turn that to 4 again. It's an obstacle away. I think there's one also here. No, there's not one here. And yeah, that works. Let's also check the statue again. I don't know what's going on with the statue, but it's not working. I don't get it. I don't get why the mesh is not working. So, oh, I get it now. So there's a sculpture inside the sculpture. Yeah, that makes sense. So here, let's get the statue real quick. Add a mesh collider for this. That should do it. Turn off the mesh renderer. And yeah, that's perfect. Go back to the ground right here. Let's return it back to the normal box collider. We don't need a mesh collider for here. So remove component. Perfect. So right now, I think if we touch the statue, it will detect the sound. I think. The problem is, again, the sound problem here is not the same. So let's actually go to the sculpture empty body and actually tag it with the sound object and tag it with the sound trigger and add the sound detection script to also the upper part here. So once we actually touch the upper part, it detects it. So let's go to that area. Perfect. As you can see, the save manager actually spawns us in the location we want. Let's turn off gizmos for it to look nice. So gizmos, turn off. Yeah, so now this is what you actually see in the actual game. We also need to turn off the welcome to Spider controller and the text down below. And yeah, we can stand on this table normally, so that's good. There's a massive space behind the table, which could be a really good hiding space. We can go under the table, again, really good. We can go under this table, yes. We can go under the bed, perfect. Can we go under here? We can go under here. I think we can go under here too, yeah. Can go under the other bed. Oh, or can we, right? Yeah, we can. I'll go under the bed. Okay. I forgot this couch is flying. We need to place it. Oh, we can't go under the couch. Okay, so that's the thing we need to fix. This is supposed to be always closed. I'm not planning them. They will open the wardrobe anytime soon. Yeah, standing here. The table works. Going under the table, like here. A very good hiding spot also works. Perfect. Now where's the boy? I just discovered that the boy is not here for a while now. Let's go under here. Oh, I gotta need to open the door. Scene. By the way, you can't go under the door in the floor number 2. It's blocked and it's not letting you enter. It worked the first time because I was actually extremely fast. Wait, where is the boy? That's weird. The boy is supposed to be here somewhere. Okay, let's activate the gizmos. I want to see where he is. Whoa. Did I close the boy by accident? Did the boy disappear? That's a lot of errors. Boy. Boy. 1. He's not deactivated. Where is he? Wait. Don't tell me he went through a wall again. Oh, he's trying to go here, but he's going crazy again. Wait, is he inside the wall? No way. He keeps going through the wall. I don't get how. Is it because of this door? It's definitely because of this door. Let's have the object collider. Yeah, let's just unplug him. So this wall thing that we added did not work. So let's just add a object. What was it called? What was it called? Oh yeah, nav mesh obstacle, not object. Okay, nav mesh obstacle to both the end door and this area, so they don't pass through this door again. Because like seriously, I don't know what to say. So let's just start the game again, because that was crazy. Okay, so he's going. That's good. Going through the door. Perfect. We still can't pass through the door. Okay, we're gonna need to open the door. Weep. Door. Yeah. Open it. Perfect. Okay, so let's go through. And the boy is already checking the bed. I think he's gonna go away from the bed real quick. Nope. No, not going anywhere. So yeah, we're gonna need to change the area of the bed here. Oh, he actually detected. Actually worked. Never mind. He actually stopped, looked around, checked, and left. Okay, So now he's going to the bathroom again. Hopefully he works this time. Okay, he was gonna go through the wall, but this time he decided not to. He's still deciding to go through the second wall. You're kidding me, right? It's a massive obstacle. Like, he stopped in the air. Like, how's the obstacle supposed to do? And he still is... That's crazy. He still is stuck. You're kidding me. Okay, so let's go to the scene. Yeah, this is the reason that I didn't use nav mesh on the floor 1. I really wanted to get the floor 1 finished and not deal with these simple, like, what do you call these problems? Simple? I called them a disappointed. So yeah, he still thinks he can go through the wall. Again, you can't go through the wall. Okay, so let's see this. This again has the nav mesh. Let's see the carve. Okay, the carve basically makes it on there. But again, why does he think he can pass through the wall? He thinks he's gonna go through here. He does not think at all that there's a open door, open area right here that he could pass through. Let's just disable this nav mesh obstacle. See if he goes. No. Okay, let's move the boy a bit. Like an angle or something. You're kidding me. Look, he literally was next to the door. Like, look, he's literally next to the door. But for some reason he thinks the wall is his way to go. Okay, that's crazy. So yeah, I have been dealing with this wall problem for a small time now. Oh, the game's restarted. Oh, yeah, most likely I ran out of food. Ooh. Yeah, the whole game restarted, yeah. So that's the video for us. On this video, we fixed some small bugs with this room. We watched the kit controller actually work a bit. I showed you guys my updates on floor number 2. And hopefully once I get the agent to understand what I'm trying to tell him to do, I'll be making a part 4 for making the floor number 2 for spider control. And hopefully on that part 4 we'll be actually starting to make the part where the cutscenes are, the story mode, where the food's supposed to be hiding. Actually start working on the cat. I think I'm gonna start working on the cat on the background. So hopefully on part 4 of this video we will be finished with the cat and it following you and making distractions. And hopefully we would be starting to actually make the story part of the game with some story progress, the integer that we used for the game manager right here, and adding some story progress, and hopefully, really hopefully, we finish it by part 4. So thank you all for watching and hope to see you next time. I know this video was a bit bigger than my last videos, but hopefully if you guys like watch this video and like it and like give me more motivation by liking this video, I'd have released part 4 much faster. Thanks you all for watching and see you all next time. Peace.